everywhere you go. There's big and small and in between, and some of them you know. And now I'll name my 20 dogs as different as can be. And when the show is through, you will be naming them all with me. Ready? Here we go. Start with the Beagle. Beagle, Poodle, Cocker, Spaniel, Husky, and Shar-Pei, Dalmatian, Saint Bernard, and Collie, Schnauzer, Dachshund, Ring, Chihuahua, Greyhound, German Shepherd, Bulldog, Doberman, Pinscher, and Shih Tzu, Lab Retriever, Basset Hound, and Jack Russell Terrier too. Okay, let's go back now and try it even faster. Are you ready for this? Okay then, let's go. Start with the Beagle again. Beagle, Poodle, Cocker, Spaniel, Husky, and Shar-Pei, Dalmatian, Saint Bernard, and Collie, Schnauzer, Dachshund, and Great Dane, Chihuahua, Greyhound, German Shepherd, Bulldog, Doberman, Pinscher, Shih Tzu, Lab Retriever, Basset Hound, and Jack Russell Terrier too. Phew.
Oh dear.
Okay, can I click it, please?